Absolutely. Here's a YouTube article titled, Honda Civic 2022 Best Modifications That Redefine the Modern Sedan, tailored for an engaging and informative video. Honda Civic 2022 Best Modifications That Redefine the Modern Sedan. In the world of compact sedans, few names carry as much weight as the Honda Civic. The 2022 Honda Civic represents a new generation of refined design, enhanced performance, and digital innovation. But for car enthusiasts, stock is just the starting point. The 2022 Civic offers a blank canvas, perfect for imaginative minds and precision tuning. In this video, we explore the best modifications for the Honda Civic 2022 that elevate its style, performance, and personality beyond the showroom floor. Whether you're aiming for a street sport aesthetic or track-ready performance, these upgrades transform the Civic into a modern masterpiece. 1. The Foundation. Stock Civic 2022 Overview. Before we dive into the modifications, it's important to understand the base. The 2022 Civic came in several trims: LX, Sport, X, and Touring, with the C and Type R offering higher performance. Under the hood, the base models feature a 2.0 Li4 engine pushing out 158 horsepower, while the turbocharged 1.5 Li4 on X and Touring trims produces 180 horsepower. The C boosts this further to 200 horsepower. Honda revamped the design for 2022, giving the Civic a more mature, refined look with clean lines, a longer wheelbase, and updated LED lighting. Inside, the cabin boasts a high-tech look with a 7 to 9-inch infotainment screen, digital instrument display, and premium materials. It's a solid base, but for car lovers, the real fun begins with the mods. 2. Exterior modifications. Aggressive meets elegant. A. Body kits and aero enhancements. Adding a custom body kit can dramatically change the car's stance. Popular choices include Mugen-style bumpers and side skirts, sleek, sporty, and aerodynamic. Carbon fiber lips and diffusers. Not just for looks, they improve downforce and stability at higher speeds. Rear spoilers or wings. A subtle trunk lip spoiler gives a refined performance edge, while a Type R style wing screams track ready. B. Custom lighting. LED upgrades bring a futuristic touch. Sequential turn signals, smoked taillights, dynamic DRLs. Custom underglow kits done tastefully can give your Civic an eye-catching presence at night. C. Wheels and tires. One of the most impactful changes. 18 to 20-inch alloy wheels in matte black, bronze, or gunmetal. Low-profile performance tires for better grip and handling. Brands like NK, BBS, and Rotiform are popular choices for Civic enthusiasts. 3. Suspension and stance. Ride quality meets control. To truly bring out the potential of your 2022 Civic, suspension upgrades are a must. A. Coilovers or lowering springs. Lower ride height enhances visual appeal and improves cornering by reducing body roll. Adjustable COI levers allow you to set your height and damping preferences, perfect for daily driving and track days. B. Camber kits and sway bars. Camber kits correct alignment when lowering your car. Aftermarket sway bars reduce understeer, giving you tighter control through curves. This setup not only sharpens performance but also gives the Civic a low-slung, aggressive stance. 4. Engine and performance mods. Unleashing the beast. While the stock Civic is reliable and efficient, performance upgrades can unlock serious potential. A. EQ tune remapping. Tuning the EQ can yield 10 to 20% more horsepower depending on your model. Brands like Honda offer plug-and-play solutions specifically for the Civic. B. Cold air intake and performance exhaust. Cold air intakes bring in cooler, denser air, improving combustion and horsepower. Pairing it with a catback exhaust system like Borla or NVIDIA not only boosts power but gives a deeper, throatier sound. C. Turbo upgrades for turbo models. For 1.5L turbocharged trims, larger turbo kits or intercoolers can push your Civic past 250 to 300 HP reliably. Upgraded blow-off valves and turbo inlets increase responsiveness. 5. Brake system upgrades. Stopping power for speed. Power is nothing without control. If you're increasing horsepower, you need to upgrade your brakes. A. Performance pads and rotors. Slotted or drilled rotors help dissipate heat. Performance pads like Brembo or Hot deliver stronger, fade-resistant braking. B. Big brake kits. Aesthetically stunning and functionally critical for track use. Red or yellow calipers behind large alloy wheels make a strong visual statement. 6. Interior mods. Comfort meets tech. The 2022 Civic already features an impressive interior, but mods can elevate it further. A. Custom seats and steering wheels. Racing-inspired Recaro or Bride seats offer better lateral support. A flat-bottom steering wheel with Alcantara grip brings that motorsport feel to your hands. B. Ambient lighting and trim kits. LED lighting strips or RGB footwell lights add luxury. Carbon fiber or brushed aluminum dash trims enhance sophistication. C. Upgraded infotainment and audio. A subwoofer, upgraded speakers, and a dedicated amp can turn your Civic into a rolling concert hall. Some owners opt for Apple CarPlay upgrades with larger touchscreens and smarter UI integration. 7. Unique custom touches. Customization is personal. Here are some unique ideas Civic owners have used. Vinyl wraps or custom paint in bold colors like satin blue, matte black, or chameleon. Window tints for privacy and sleek looks. Custom badging or LED emblem lighting. These tweaks may be small, but they leave a lasting impression. 8. Civic 2022 modded builds that inspire. Here are a few inspiring builds from the Civic community. Turbocharged touring with air suspension and 20 inches bronze alloys. Civic C with full Mugen body kit, matte gray wrap, and carbon hood. Track-built Civic with roll cage, racing seats, full EQ tune, and 300 plus HP. Each build represents a unique vision, and that's the beauty of the 2022 Civic, it adapts to your imagination. Conclusion: building the ultimate Civic. The 2022 Honda Civic is more than a commuter car, it's a canvas for automotive creativity. With the right modifications, you can transform it from a dependable daily driver to a jaw-dropping show car or a corner-carving track machine. From aesthetics to performance, interior luxury to exhaust notes, every element of the Civic can be modified to reflect your personality and driving preferences. That's the Civic culture, it's about expression, evolution, and excellence. So whether you're just starting with a new set of wheels or going all in with a turbo build, your 2022 Civic has limitless potential. Build it, drive it, love it. Would you like a script version for voiceover or visuals, or a thumbnail suggestion to pair with this article?